focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Sinematiknya effort amat ya. Iya best friend. Apa Dun? Balik lagi sama gue Janur Parulin di channel Best Custom. Hari ini gue mau kasih tahu lu orang satu mobil yang lagi gue pegang, atau dengan kata lain kemarin gue baru habis beli satu buah mobil Ford Fiesta warnanya hitam, tipe yang S, yang 1600, yang free facelift. Beliin ceritanya buat bini.
Sombong amat.
Istri gue minta mobil kecil karena kemarin BMW dia nggak mau pakai karena udah ceper, dan mobil juga memang gue jual. Dia minta mobil kecil gantinya. Gue dapat Ford Fiesta, ya lumayan murah sih. Meskipun agak effort ya, ada beberapa PR yang harus gue benerin, harus gue rubah lagi, harus gue perbaikin lah intinya gitu, supaya mobil fresh lagi. Projectnya banyak. Bodykit, interior gue lagi mikir-mikir apakah akan gue bungkus atau enggak. Velg pasti gue ganti. Bodykit, interior, velg, mesin kayaknya gue nggak apa-apain kali kalau mesin, soalnya kan buat RI2 yang mah. Lu simak aja video ini sampai akhir ya kan, karena ini bakal banyak projectnya. Jadi mobil ini masuk tanggal 15 ya Jar ya. 15 gue repaint dulu hitam. Lu simak proses repaintnya, proses berikutnya lu tunggu aja ya.
Terus gitu doang. Oh, gede lagung.
Betul deh emang.
Hah?
Betul deh.
Dia tadi mobil hidung. Jadi cat kuning.
Oh, gitu. Jadi ini tadinya mobil hitam mau dicat warna
Kuning.
jadinya gimana?
Ya, paling dah kalau kalau.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own.
Jadi kalau kemarin udah diamplas-amplas mobilnya, ya kan. Hari ini ada Aldi, ada Andi naikin warnanya. Jadi di sini gue mau ngecat mobilnya dulu. warnanya kemarin kan hitam, gue balikin lagi hitam metalik. Hari ini proses pengecatannya, ada beberapa bagian yang memang harus dipilih. Cuma di sini hari ini gue nggak epoksi semua, supaya prosesnya cepet. Jadi gue cuma epoksi bagian-bagian yang kita dempulin doang ya. Yang didempulin gue epoksi, terus dipilihin lagi, baru naik cat. Tapi bumper depannya gue nggak cat. Lu mau tahu bumper depan gue apain? Shoot dulu lah, Jar.
I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. You're something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Jadi prosesnya Boleh deket lagi aja. Prosesnya mobil ini udah selesai. Gua juga udah pakein body kit, udah pakai add-on depan, udah pakai side skirt. Kalau wing memang udah bawaan dari mobilnya, terus sama diffusernya gua force carbon. Wing udah bawaan mobil karena mobil ini gua ngangkat memang udah yang tipe sportinya atau tipe S gitu. Jadi udah ada wingnya dan mobil ini cc-nya 1600 coy. Jadi mobil ini Ford Fiesta yang pre-facelift. Produksi 2010, pemakaian 2011. Nah, jadi tipe S ini mesinnya 1600, ada yang sama di tahun itu keluarnya, tapi yang tipe trendy dan mesinnya cc-nya 1400 gitu. Dari mesin ada perbedaan, interior pun juga kayaknya ada perbedaan cuma nggak banyak. Plus yang tipe trendy itu nggak ada wing yang selebar tipe sporty begini. Habis dari yang tipe ini Fiesta keluarin lagi, dia facelift lampu depannya sama lampu belakang, tapi bentukannya yang kelihatan signifikan tuh lampu depan. Jadi kalau lu lihat di sini, yang tipe pre-faceliftnya lampunya ujungnya lancip, tapi kalau yang faceliftnya dia kotak di sini gitu. Bumper juga berubah, tapi kalau panel-panel lain sih ya paling upgrade sedikit, sama fiturnya juga beda. Di yang tipe facelift itu ada EcoBoost, ada juga yang nggak EcoBoost tapi mesin cc-nya 1500. Yang menarik lagi di EcoBoost itu, meskipun dia 1000 cc 3 silinder tapi turbo. Gokil kan? Nah, pengalaman gue setelah gue beli ini Fiesta dan gue udah pakai Fiesta ini, 1600 buat mobil bobot atau body segede ini, itu enak banget. Jadi buat lu yang pengen punya mobil kecil dengan harganya LCGC, Ford Fiesta boleh jadi pilihan. Dan orang nanya, servisnya mahal bang? Enggak. Cuma yang jadi permasalahan, banyak orang nggak tahu spare partnya si Ford Fiesta ini itu udah masa waktunya harus ganti. Ya udah wajar lah lu ganti-ganti spare part. Dan kalau nanya, bang susah nggak spare partnya? Nggak susah, gampang banget. Kayak kemarin modul ABS bermasalah, langsung ganti, langsung ada kok barangnya. Terus tabung cadangan buat radiatornya pecah, gua ganti. Telang radiator atasnya pecah, gua ganti. Gampang banget. Dan pengerjaan kemarin sebentar doang. Kaki-kaki udah aman, interior udah gua rapihin, gua bersihin semua segala macem. Body juga kayak video tadi yang udah tonton, ya kan? Jadi Fiesta ini buat gue bilang rekomen lah. Masalah kedap di dalam ketimbang mobil-mobil yang harga segini dengan kelas yang mirip-mirip, ini enak banget. Jadi akhir kata, gue closing aja video ini. Nah, buat lo yang punya pengalaman dari pakai Fiesta, lo boleh share di komentar di bawah. Ada pertanyaan atau apa tentang masalah Fiesta, siapa tahu gue bisa bantu. Lo boleh isi kolom komentar di bawah. Akhir kata, itu aja dari gue. Jangan lupa sharing-sharing ke temen lo yang cari bodykit Fiesta, best custom ada. Itu aja dari gue. Salam best friend.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Oke bro.